Hello friends, let me give a very brief introduction or explanation of how we install R and RStudio in our computer. The sequence for installing these two software is you should always install R first and followed by RStudio. Now let's get started. Let's go to the Google page and type R in this. Now let's go to the R project. The R project, go to the CRAN. CRAN stands for Comprehensive R Archive Network. Comprehensive R Archive Network. In the R Archive Network, you'll have a list of mirror given to you from where the downloading can be done. If you're not sure of any a particular mirror, then you always go to the cloud. When you click on the cloud, you'll have these options opening. The first is for R for Linux, second is for R for Mac, and the third one is for R for Windows. I have my computer is a Windows operating system, so I'll prefer this one. I'll click on this. In this, you click on this one, the base. This is where the exe file will be downloaded. Now, the latest version of R that you have is R 4.0.3, and this is for both 32 and 64-bit. Now, click on this. This is 85 megabyte software. You can save this one in any folder of your choice. Save this. I've already done it. I have saved this one in this. This is the one that which I have downloaded. It's 86 point something megabyte. Double click on this. It's taking some time. Yeah, this is the one that you have now. Click yes. Click OK. Next. Keep pressing next till you finish the installations. I'm not going to do it because I have already done it in my computer. So you please complete the process and install R successfully. So after you install this software successfully, then you'll have this one. This is the R software that you'll have after the installation. This is a 4.0.3 version, which was updated latest in October 10. Now, if you want to clear this screen, then simply press Ctrl L. Now you have finished installation of R in your computer. Let's go back and install RStudio almost in the same manner. Let's go to Google and type RStudio in this. Let's go to download. Now this is the one that you have. You select this one, RStudio for desktop. This is free version. The others, this is commercial license, which is used by the corporates, and we will be downloading this only. You download this and download this for Windows, and for Mac users, you select the Mac options. When you type RStudio in the Google for Mac users, the Mac thing will come out. Since I have Windows as an operating system, the Windows things has come out for me. It's 171.62 MB, right? Save this in again in a folder of your choice, and then double click on the installer exe file, and and the complete installation in your computer. The moment you do that, this is what you'll find. This is RStudio. It's taking some time. It's opening up. So in the meantime, let me explain the console thing first. This is the R software. This is the console. Like this console is a place where you'll be writing all kinds of coding, all kinds of coding. Right. So now I think it's done. Now it's taking time. It's taking time. It's opening up. Yeah, this is the one that I have. This is RStudio. These are the coding which I have made for the coming sessions. Right. These are the coding which I have made for the coming sessions. Now, if you, this is the same console which you have seen in the R. This is the one that you can see in the RStudio. Now, instead of working in the R console, we will be working in the RStudio. Whatever you can do over here, you can also do in this. So I'll prefer working with RStudio than R. So I'll also suggest you to start with you prefer working with RStudio than R. Why? This you'll come to know in the process of time. This is the console, and this is where the codings will, the various codes commands will be written, and this is the environments. In this, you have the history, the connections, and everything. And this is where the files, the plot that you'll be doing, the plotting that you'll be doing will be displayed over here. All the packages can be seen in this. It's taking some time. Yeah, these other packages that you have, and if you look for any kind of help, say um, elf normal normal distribution. Now the help command will generate the helps that you asking or you looking for, and the viewers will different types of views. Now this is how you install R and RStudio on your computer. I also would like to request you to along with this R and RStudio to install Java in your computer. Those who have already installed Java in your computer, kindly update it to the latest version. This is because there are many packages in R which works with the Java platform, with the Java platform. So I think you have understood this one. Kindly do the installation before you come for the class tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.